Boost your immune system in under 5 minutes with this practice I dedicate to my favorite superhero, Wonder Woman. What's the point here? We're going to do a little bit of self-acupressure before we cleanse our energy field. Acupressure points specifically helping us to boost our immune system. The first is the outer gate, Wei Guan. 3 fingers up from your wrist crease. Take your thumb and press and circle or press and wiggle. Between the tendons, you may find a little bit of tenderness there. Okay? This particular acupressure point is to help reduce fever, boost your immune system, alleviate headaches, and in particular with this outer gate, I'm going to do it for about 30 to 45 seconds. We can help strengthen this outer protective field of energy that surrounds your body, which is called the Wei Qi, Wei energy field. Now, since this is a practice under 5 minutes, we won't spend long, but you could do this while you're watching, God forbid, the news. Let's do the other side. Again, 3 fingers up from wrist crease. Press and circle, or press and wiggle, or press and hold. Any or all of those. Explore and see what kind of turns on the light switch here. That's what these acupressure points are. They're light switches along the rivers of energy, kind of step-up converters, where energy can tend to get blocked, but acupressure can help turn the lights on and open the flow. Now, the Neiguan, or inner gate, is exactly on the opposite, on the inner forearm. Inner arm, 3 fingers up from wrist crease. This is pericardium 6. I think I said that was triple burner 5, pericardium 6. You don't need to memorize that. But again, between the tendons, press, circle. This one's great for anxiety, insomnia, really about balancing the emotions, which can get quite fired up. Whether you're watching the news or you're relating to the situation at hand without any external noise, it can get pretty intense. Let's do the other side. I know before I came to shoot this video today, I was thinking, is this really happening? And I was kind of struck by a lot of anxiety about what to do. And while these practices aren't going to completely alleviate what's happening in our current society, in our current way of living, a few moments to yourself, a few moments to connect with what's real in this moment, your physical being, can be very healing. Now we're going to knock those points together, inner and outer gates. Wonder Woman. Always wanted to be Wonder Woman. Wonder what she could do right now for us. Inner and outer gates, knock. Switch. So knocking the outer gate helps to protect the immune system. Inner gate, protecting the emotions. Now we're going to do a quick flow to bring balance and harmony. This is the wrist cross flow. Soft bend in your knees with your feet about shoulder width apart. Woo! Whoa. Pardon me, I pressed the accelerator. To get a little feel of the sensations that you just awoken in your being. Yes, I'm coining the term awoken. Now bring the arms up. Inhale, cross the wrists, but don't touch them. Draw across the heart line and exhale down to the earth. Let's just do that a few times. Cleansing your energy field. You may not be able to go to a Reiki master or Qigong master to clear your energy field now, if not ever, but you can do that for yourself. Slow down, smooth out your breath, and recognize your power to heal and be healed. Imagine this field of energy that surrounds you, and you're clearing that of any emotional intensity, bringing in your belief for well-being of your own, well-being of your loved ones, well-being for the world. Cleanse and clear. Boost your vibrancy. Feel free to continue for as long as you want, or pick up one of the other quick immune boosting practices.